Gabriel do Infantil 1, do Samuel do Infantil 5 e do Felipe do 3º ano. E hoje eu estou aqui para fazer a receita dos aniversariantes do mês. Como alguns sabem, eu sou a professora de inglês do Colégio Mananciais Infantil, então eu resolvi fazer para vocês a receita em inglês. Today we are going to do a cheese board. You can use any board you have in your house. I'm going to use this barbecue board here, but you can use anything you have. And you go to your kitchen and you get everything you have. So first, we are going to start with the cheeses. I have some olives, I have some fruits, and some crackers, and pate. Okay, let's start. First of all, you place the cheeses. I'll start with brie cheese. It's a soft cheese, it's so good. So you put it here, and then the Gouda cheese. The Gouda cheese, I like to cut it in small pieces. And it's so beautiful, right? You can put it here. And the Grana Padano is my favorite. I'm going to place it here. And those you can cut in smaller pieces like this. Now, I'm going to place the meat. In here I have 2 different kinds of salami. Italian salami. I like to fold it like small flowers like this. And you fold it and you place it here. You can have with your family on a Saturday night while you're watching a movie or a game. While you're having a game night with your family, it's a great plate. To receive some friends, all the kids can do it by yourself. My kids love it. So here I have the salami like this, folded like small flowers, okay? Then I have some ham in here. Good. Now let's put some color. I forgot the blue cheese. The blue cheese is another kind of cheese that you can part it like this. Now I like to put some grapes. They're so beautiful, this beautiful color. And then I always like to put figs. You can put the figs here. Let's put some more. Do you like figs? They're so beautiful. They have this beautiful color inside. Do you want a tomato? Yes? Gabriel likes the tomatoes. So, let's put some more colors. In here we have the red small tomatoes. They're sweet and the flavor is so good. I like to get these small cups here and put some pate on it. This one here is blue cheese pate. So you put it in here so people can put the crackers. It's so good. That reminds me that we can put such a variety of crackers, anything you have. I like those triangle ones, those little piece of bread, and these sticks. You can put all in here. So you spread in here. More? There you go. And now we have this middle. Put some more salami. Those there are 5 here in our house, and we eat all of this. I got some cucumber in here. I like to cut them in smaller pieces. There you go. Place in here. Some green. And then you got the olives. I got those black ones. They're so good. Let's put them in here. The olives. Do you like olives? here I have some lemon that I like to put in here with this salami. Very good. I have some green olives filled with pepper. We can put them here. What else? Now let's go to the nuts. There you go. Here we have nuts and some peanuts. You can put it here. You can put some seasoning in the cheese. I like to season it with lemon pepper. Loved it. And here in the brie cheese, I like to serve it with something sweet. This is cranberry. So good. And I also have here some strawberry. Put some strawberry here too with the brie cheese. What else do we need? So in here I have some bread. You can put the bread. Let's put some great plate for a Saturday night. I hope you like it. Bye bye.